Hi scholars, today we are going to learn about Winsorization in data analysis. It is a technique for dealing with the outliers. Starting from what is Winsorization? Winsorization is a technique used in secondary data analysis to control the influence of extreme outliers without avoiding them. Keep it in mind that Winsorization is not same as trimming. Trimming involves removal of outliers, whereas winsorization retain all the data point but shrink their impact. There are two types, or we can say that there are two levels of winsorization. Winsorization at a 1% level or at a 5% level. 1% level winsorization is highly used in research articles, for which we have to perform the following steps, starting from calculation of first and 99th percentile of the variable. Then, if the values of variable goes below first percentile, replace it with the first percentile value. On the other hand, if the values of the variable goes above 99th percentile, replace it with the 99th percentile value. All other values remain unchanged. Let us perform winsorization in Excel sheet. In Excel, I have closing price data of company 1, company 2, company 3. Three companies closing price data from 2014 to 2024. This is a quarterly data set. First, we need to calculate a first percentile and a 99th percentile for each variable individually, for which we have to perform percentile function. So, first percentile calculation will be as follows, equal to percentile.inc, then select the values of the variable, comma 0.01, which is for first percentile. Again, next 99th percentile calculation equal to percentile.inc function, select the value of variable, comma, write 0.99 for 99th percentile. Drag the cell to the right, you will get the percentile value for remaining variables. Then in the second part, we are going to create winsorized data set. Okay, for which we have to give a command. So company 1 data starting from B2 cell. So this data will start from B53 cell. So from this cell, data will be shown. Here we are going to give the command. Command is like that, equal to if, in bracket, first value of variable, select it, which is in cell B2. So if B2, which is lesser than first percentile, comma, click first percentage value, comma, second function, if, in bracket, cell B2 value, which is higher than 99th percentile, comma, 99th percentile value. Click again, comma, otherwise value of B2 will be shown. Close the brackets. So here Percentage cell values are to be blocked, for which we need to give dollar sign. Click Fn F4, click Fn F4, click Fn F4, click Fn F4. So the percentile cells are locked. Then click enter. So you will get a value. This is the value here. Then drag to below. You will get the entire value. Okay. In the new data set, what is the first value? 778, which is the first percentile value. Because actual value goes below this value. What is the actual value? First cell is 752, which is lesser than 778. Therefore, 778 will be the value here. Okay, like that. Then we have to do the same process for other variables also. Dragging will not work correctly, but we have to change the cells. C47. Instead of B, select it as C. Second value percentiles will change. So we will get second one. Okay. Likewise, third command is also to be changed. So we found the Winsorized dataset. If we go through the dataset, any value which is goes above 99th percentile, the value of 99th percentile will be there. If any value which should go below first percentile, which is replaced by the first percentile in each column. Okay, you can manually check and find the Winsorization pattern. Okay, thank you.